What is up, y'all? It's the Eric V, your stream teach here, and I am back. However, before I left, I arranged for a certain thing to happen, a certain experiment that I've done before with TikTok and Hover previously, and that is upload a video every day for several days, in this case 25, to see if these great clips that performed pretty well on TikTok, mind you, did anything to get people from YouTube Shorts to coming and checking out my Twitch channel. Is YouTube Shorts the best way to use small clips to reach a wider audience as opposed to maybe TikTok or Hover? Let's look at the metrics and find out. Class is in session. Let's look at some stats. From the 25 videos, we can see that the most viewed video got 1,437 views. The second most viewed video is 1,209 views, and the third most video has 201 views. If we continue down that list, you will see that several of them have 3, 2, and 1 views. 6 of these videos do not appear on the list. Why is that? It's because they have 0 views. What does that mean? What does that mean? Maybe even though we have only a few viewers by YouTube standards, it's a lot of viewers by Twitch's standards. And we're gonna look into that in a bit. But what I do wanna make note of is that these are different moments on my Twitch channel. And my Twitch channel is a variety channel in every sense of the word. Sometimes we have videos that are reactions to television shows. Sometimes it's a funny gaming moment. Sometimes it's me being funny. Sometimes it's me being frustrated. Very rarely is it me being good at a game. But those moments are different. The games are different. The emotions are different. So those clips should appeal to different types of audiences and different audiences who look for different things. When we check out the traffic source, we see that the Shorts feed is responsible for the majority of the views, which is 2,601 views. We look at the browse features, we have 551 views from there, not too bad, and we even have some that appeared in the YouTube search with 127 views. So when we wrap all that data up from the 28th of March into the 21st of April into a bow, we get a total of 3.3 thousand views and 17.5 watch time hours, which is not bad, I would say, since they're YouTube Shorts and they're a few seconds long. And we got a total of 9 subscribers. When it comes to engagement, to my recollection, I only had 1 comment. So even though these views are not very impressive to me or by YouTube standards, 3.3 thousand viewers is a lot of viewers, and that could really help a Twitch channel. Now, I do want you all to keep in mind that as a streamer, as a content creator who is working on content creation fairly consistently, I might get growth from general streaming and the raids I might get from it. This very streamer school YouTube channel, thanks if you went to my Twitch channel from here. And of course, I upload daily TikToks to this day. And of course, I use social media pretty frequently as well, so I could get viewers from there. So whatever growth you might see, try to factor those in, as well as the YouTube Shorts helping me out. So let's see how much it actually helped me out. So looking at November to December 1st, we have 39 viewers, which is what I'm pretty much used to, that 40 viewer average. Let's get into December to the end of December, and I took a big break here for the holidays, so 33 viewers average, what we expect. January, we're back up to 40 viewers. Nice, that's what we're used to. And then in February, we have 40 viewers. Again, what we're used to. Black History Month didn't seem to affect me at all, by the way. March, we have 43 viewers, going on the up and up. And again, we made our first video on YouTube Shorts on March the 28th. So let's look at April and see how much growth we had, because I stopped uploading YouTube Shorts on April 21st. I went back down to 40. So the, short answer to did YouTube Shorts help? No. The long answer is maybe I should have done them for longer. Maybe I could have promoted them better. But at the same time, I feel like TikTok, at least for gaming clips or the type of clips that I create, because even my gaming TikToks don't do super well. It's more so my IRL just chatting stuff that does better on TikTok. There's a reason why I stopped with the uploading of YouTube Shorts on April 25th. And that's because it just stopped uploading them automatically for some reason. But the cool thing about YouTube Shorts as opposed to TikTok is that you can schedule these posts out. So I uploaded all of them in one day in bulk and just scheduled them out one day after the other. and forgot about it, which is great if the things actually got views, which they did not. But shortly after I complained about TikTok not doing too well for me, I did start to do way better on TikTok. There's some videos that just get a lot of views, get me a lot of followers, and then I might just fall completely off. It is completely random. I understand nothing about the TikTok algorithm, but every algorithm loves when you feed it. So I'm continuing to feed my TikTok. Like I've said in that TikTok video, I like making TikToks. I like having an archive for my best clips and being able to spice those old clips up as well. So feel free to follow me on TikTok because you will not be finding me on YouTube Shorts. So that's that. A third one of these videos where my endeavors are for naught. But they are cool in letting you know how my experience was, so maybe you could save your time from doing it. But I will also still encourage you to try it yourself. Maybe you'll find different results. You're a totally different person for me. You might have a totally different demographic for me as well. I just know that I'm done. So catch me on TikTok, catch me on Twitch. If you like the video, then like the video. Class dismissed. Shout out to Corliss and Dr. J for being tier 3 patrons. Hey. Oh yeah, that sexy little get up. Yeah. Hold up. I know it's in Tomb Raider 2. Is it in Tomb Raider 1 where she can like get on a ledge real sexy like? Is that a thing? Hold on, let me see. Damn. Hey!